My video is about getting rid of fake Windows Defender Security Center alerts. These are totally fake alerts, and you should not interact with them. Such fake alerts claim to be related to Windows support, and they quote this fake Windows support number, which is +1 833 973 2279. Don't ever call this fake Windows support number. There are some online hackers who stand behind these pop-ups. They try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into calling this fake number. So if you call it, they'll try to connect to your computer remotely and demand from you to pay money, supposedly, to get it fixed. Don't trust all these deceptive pop-ups. Simply leave this page. I also recommend that you examine your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.